Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Google Analytics Universal Analytics. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one and then sign in to Google Analytics. Once you are logged in, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Next, you will be asked to enter your website information, including the website name, URL, and industry category. Fill in this information and click on the Next button. Then, you will be asked to choose your data sharing settings. Choose the settings that are right for you and click on the Next button. Now, you will be given a tracking ID, which is a unique code that you will need to add to your website. This code will track your website data and send it to Google Analytics. To get the code, click on the Tracking Info tab and then click on the Tracking Code tab. Copy the code and add it to the header of your website, just before the closing head tag. After you have added the tracking code to your website, you need to set up your goals. Goals are the actions you want your website visitors to take, such as filling out a contact form or making a purchase. To set up a goal, click on the Admin tab and then click on the Goals tab. Click on the New Goal button and choose the type of goal you want to set up. Follow the prompts to set up your goal. Another important feature in Google Analytics is events. Events are user interactions with your website, such as clicking on a button or watching a video. To track events, you need to add event tracking code to your website. This code will track the events and send the data to Google Analytics. To view your website data, click on the Reporting tab. Here, you can see an overview of your website data, including the number of visitors, page views, and bounce rate. You can also view more detailed reports, such as the Pages report, which shows you which pages on your website are the most popular. Finally, to get the most out of Google Analytics, make sure to check your data regularly and use it to make informed decisions about your website. Use the data to identify areas for improvement and to measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. By following these steps and using the features and reports in Google Analytics, you can gain valuable insights into your website data and use it to improve your online presence.